What if you could make $500 every single day using just ChatGPT? Thousands of people are already doing it. Let me show you exactly how. Method 1 is freelance writing. Go to Fiverr or Upwork right now and offer blog writing services. Use ChatGPT to write the articles in minutes, charge clients $100 to $300 each, and keep all the profit. Many writers are doing 10 or more articles per week. Method 2 is creating and selling online courses. Use ChatGPT to outline and write complete courses on any topic you know. Upload them to Udemy or Gumroad and sell them for $50 to $200 each. Once created, they sell forever. Method 3 is social media management. Small businesses desperately need content but have no time to create it. Charge them $1,000 to $3,000 per month and use ChatGPT to generate 30 days of posts in under an hour. Method 4 is email marketing. E-commerce brands pay serious money for high-converting email sequences. A single campaign can earn you $500 to $2,000. ChatGPT writes them in minutes. Method 5 is exactly what you are watching right now. YouTube automation. Write scripts with ChatGPT, convert them to videos, upload consistently, and earn advertising revenue forever on autopilot. The formula is simple. Pick one method. Take action today. Scale what works. The people who start now will be the ones celebrating financial freedom next year. Subscribe for more real strategies that actually work in 2025.